It's a new week at the Hyatt house. You remember last week we got all the sheetrock hung, and this week we are gonna start doing tape and mud. So let's go check it out. So we are finishing up right where we left off last week in the third floor. We are working on tape. So we've got multiple different kinds of tape. We've got seam tape, we've got corner tape. They've gotten the whole room taped. So we'll move to the next room and then we'll come back later and do mud on all the seams, mud on all the screw holes. Every little step feels more and more like a room. Here's that closet that we were working on last Friday. You remember we made it deeper. We got all that sheetrock. So it's working on seams and gaps. So we finished all of the tape on the third floor on yesterday. And today we're starting down here. And these guys are doing so impressed with their stilt walking skills. It makes my ankle hurt just looking at it. I would fall off in a heartbeat. We're getting the tape done in here. Not the most exciting thing, but absolutely something that has to be done. And I'm excited to see it happening. All right, things are moving fast. We finished all the tape on the second floor. And now we are down to the ground floor. You can see the guys have started there. Everybody's working in the kitchen, getting lots done. Hopefully, we'll get all the tape done down here by the end of the day. All right, so we finished all of the tape and the first layer of mud on the ground floor. That's the whole house. So now we're back on the third floor and we're starting where we left. We are starting on the second coat where we started on the first, and we'll work our way downstairs again. We are working tip top on the third floor and the tiny little spaces like under the stairs. All got to get done. And I'm pretty sure that's going to be my favorite part of the house when it's all finished. All right, y'all, that's a wrap. It was a week of a lot of mudding. But we're pretty close to being done with mudding. So hopefully soon we'll sand a little bit, and then it won't be too long before we'll be ready to start priming. So thanks for joining us. Make sure you're subscribing so you don't miss anything. Come back soon to see what's happening at the Hyatt house.